I'm outside Aldi. Let's go and have a look at what meal I can cook up tonight. First off, grab a basket and let's get to it. You're getting yourself a leaf. Now these are £1.19, but this one has got 30% off, so let's get it in the basket. One a potato, and that's 23p. Some chicken, and that's coming in at £2.29. Some chicken casserole seasoning mix, and that's 36p. Finally, some soft cheese, and that's 83p.
So what exactly are we having then, Lou?
We are having chicken and leek hot pot.
Right, chicken and leek hot pot. Let's get to the tills and tot it up.
And do you know what? While I still walk past them, I'll just get some carrots. They're only 33p.
And that's coming in at £5.23. Chicken hot pot. Let's get it home.
And cook it up.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy.
And cook it up. Well, I would have been in budget, but I got the carrots, 33p. I'm sure they used to be 23p. But we're going to have those on the side mashed, and I'm just going to make a really simple chicken and leek hot pot. So first off, get your potato peeled. I'm going to give these a slice in the chopper, or you could use a knife, whichever way is easy for you. And they're all nicely and finely cut. Next, I'm going to chop my leeks up that have been washed. And look at the size of those. Absolutely massive. Right, so next you want to get your chicken into the frying pan. Once all the chicken's in, add your leeks as well. We're just going to cook those off. Add some salt and some pepper, and then while this is cooking, I'm just going to prep my carrots. Right, so my carrots are on now. I want them really soft to make mash. I've got my cream cheese. I'm going to add this to the pan of chicken and leek, and then mix this all up. Right, I've mixed all that up now, and that's going straight into a casserole dish, like that. If you don't want cream cheese, you could have double cream if you like. I like the cream cheese because it tastes lovely. So there you go, there's your mixture in the bottom of the casserole dish. I have got the casserole mix, which I'm going to put in 400, it does say 425 on the packet, but I'm just doing 400 to make it a little bit more thicker. And that's going in the cold water, and also straight in the dish. Give that a mix around, and then add your potatoes to the top, like so. Right, so all the potato slices are on now. That was actually from a little bit less than one potato because I was getting scared with my fingers. So put in the black pepper on the top. You don't have to put black pepper on if you don't want to. And I always use a little bit of butter for the top and put all that on. Just like that. Get your tin foil, put that on the top for the first 20 minutes, and then I take it off for the last 5 to 10. And that goes into the oven on 180 for 20 minutes. And why not hit the follow button for more savvy meals? Right, and that's ready to get out. And it's bubbling hot as well, so just be careful transferring it. Wow.
Look at that. What a savvy meal that is. Right, let's get it plated up and let's see what it's like. Right, let's get some carrot mash on first. There we go. And then we're going to get some of this roasting hot pot. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Looks amazing. Smells beautiful as well. Oh, look at that. And there you go, guys. Another savvy meal from Lucy Lou. And look how much you get left as well. Look at that. Right, let's give this a taste. Let's see what it's like. Let's get a bit of everything.
Sauce delish.
Oh, creamy. Really cheesy, creamy. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, run to Aldi and go and give it a try. And it'll cost you £5.23.